and you are here today to witness the joining in matrimony of Michael Allen Alexander and Emily Rose Taylor. For Mike and Emily, getting married today is the proud confirmation of the love, respect, and the true friendship they have together. Marriage is a desire by two people to share themselves and their experiences with each other, a willingness to accept each other for what they are, and requires closeness and distances. Closeness for a couple growing together, and enough distance for each partner to be an individual. It's a commitment that calls for trust, understanding, cooperation, and a promise of a lifelong dedication to each other. The purpose of marriage is that you shall love, care, and support each other through the joys and sorrows of life. And I, Michael Allen Alexander.
And I, Michael Allen Alexander.
Take you, Emily Rose Taylor.
Take you, Emily Rose Taylor.
To be my lawful wedded wife.
To be my lawfully wedded wife.
And I, Emily Rose Taylor.
And I, Emily Rose Taylor.
Take you, Michael Allen Alexander.
Take you, Michael Allen Alexander.
To be my lawful wedded husband.
To be my lawful wedded husband.
It now gives me very great pleasure to say that from this day forward, you are now legally husband and wife. Let me congratulate you.
Yes. I love you.
I love you too.
You really have saved me from some low points by pulling me back into the light. In writing this speech, I didn't really know how best to describe you, because the truth is, there really are no words to describe how remarkable you are. Your natural beauty knows no bounds. Your kindness is infectious, and your empathy cannot be compared. I really am not worthy calling you my wife. I will spend the rest of my life trying to be the best husband I can for you. But your calm and persistence with both Charlie and I has been extraordinary. I honestly don't know how you've managed certain situations, having to juggle with Charlie's late night tantrums and illnesses, and me breaking down in the corner somewhere. All the while struggling yourself. You, to me, really are superhuman. Ladies, gentlemen, can you please be upstanding and raise your glass to my beautiful new wife, Emily.
Emily.
Cheers.